If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Netflix account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and select an account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to the Security section within your account settings. Here, you will find options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or similar. Click on it and follow the prompts to turn off the feature. You may need to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save any changes if prompted. You should see a confirmation that the feature has been successfully turned off. Now you can enjoy your Netflix experience without the added layer of two-factor authentication. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Netflix support for assistance.